A home security camera captured an unexpected and touching moment when an elderly man with dementia wandered away from home and slowly made his way into a woman's front yard.
Hi.
Hi, are you lost?
No. It's
Huh?
my home is
You don't know where your home is?
yeah.
The man quietly admitted he couldn't remember where he lived, and the woman hesitated, unsure of how to help, until she noticed a medical ID bracelet on his wrist.
This is you?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Let me look. Okay, let me call the number. Hold on.
Thanks to the bracelet, she quickly reached his family. While they waited, she brought him a chair and some water, making sure he felt safe until his loved ones arrived.